Hurry up, Gabe.
Okay, I'm trying to get my high score. Oh, man.
You'll be able to pass it. Don't worry.
It's been weeks, though.
Practice makes perfect. What can I say? Hey! Candy!
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Well, I sure do hope so.
What type of candy is this? I hope it's not old people candy.
Oh well, at least we don't have to wait till Halloween.
That's the best part. Okay, let's go before my mom realizes we're gone.
Right.
Hello, boys.
Hi.
Look, we didn't mean to.
No, it's actually quite all right. Did you enjoy those candies I gave out?
Mm,
Good, good. God, it gets hot in here.
that's me.
Woohoo, the tragedy.
No.
I'll show you this will be the last face you see, bud.